What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you an incredible impromptu card trick. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll have a spectator select a card by cutting to a random location in the deck. Now they're going to take a look and remember that card. We'll take that card and lose it somewhere in the center of the deck. Okay, that should be good enough. And then we'll even have the spectator give the deck a cut if they'd like. So one more cut just to be on the safe side right there. Okay, so now the card's lost somewhere on the deck. But here's what I want the spectator to do. I want the spectator to think as hard as they can about their card and then reach into the deck and then just pick that card out. Except, you know, this is going to be an invisible card. So you pick that card out at random. Okay, so here you go. There's your invisible card right there. What's it say on there? I don't remember what the card is, but you remember what the card is. So here, I'll just hold on to this card for me right there. Perfect. Okay, and now I want you to tell me a number between I don't know what's good. What's good between 1 and 20. Okay, now let's say the spectator selects the number 10. So we're going to count off 10 cards from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we take a look at the 10th card. And clearly that's not your card because you're holding your invisible card in your hand. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to take that invisible card. Can I just get, thank you. I'll take it. We'll leave it right there in the 10th position, and we'll be good to go. So now if we actually take a count, I'll hand this deck over to you. You can count off 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's your card, the 9 of spades. Now the tutorial for this video will be available 24 hours after the release of this video, so in the meantime, if you want to go see some more impromptu card tricks, make sure to check out that video, and I'll see you there. Peace out.